Hey guys, I'm down here in the buffet. Who makes the buffet, Shane?
Modular.
Modular buffet. What beautiful, I just want to show it to you. Look at that. I've got a whole full length wall picture of me. What do you think, Shane?
Beautiful, mate.
Look at this,
Beautiful.
mate. Size of the TV. That is special, isn't it? So we need to get this fully valeted, mate. Cleaned, yeah. And come and have a look outside. How many beds is this one, Shane?
2 bed, mate.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Lovely.
Look at this. Beautiful. So this one is actually sold, guys, okay? We've sold this one. But we've got 3 new lodges for sale on our on brand new development, Primrose Way. And we've got 1 more left for sale on this row just down there. When was that one? Do you remember, Shane?
34, mate, that is.
Yeah, we got 1 left for sale, haven't we?
Yeah.
An empty
yeah.
plot.
Yeah.
But you have to have a full residential spec unit. Look at the quality of this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Want to have a look inside? Look at it. Got this lovely guides on new curtains, blinds. Look, beautiful. Huge seating area. What I like about it is the size of the kitchen. What a stunning unit, mate.
It's beautiful.
Well,
mate.
this is probably one of the best units on the whole of the
It's
country
huge.
club.
Absolutely huge on
What
it.
do you think?
Yeah, I love it.
Absolutely beautiful with the Velux windows. Thermostat. One of us in the back, and we go in the main bedroom first. Sorry, this is the main bedroom. Look at it, it's got freestanding furniture. TV on the wall, it's absolutely huge. And then you've got a lovely bath in here. Shall I have a look in there, mate? Isn't that beautiful? What?
Nice, spot on the original.
This is the best you've got, isn't it?
Definitely.
Absolutely beautiful. But if you want to order one, guys, we've got 1 location on the country club left, which is a 12-month season. These mattresses are different, Shane. Let's look into that.
Yeah, I think they're changing them out, the new owners.
Are they? This is en suite as well, Shane.
I know, mate.
Fully en suite spec. Look at that. Look at the quality of the doors.
Yeah, I know, mate. Proper job, that
It's a proper made unit, isn't it?
Yeah. Absolutely beautiful.
So you missed out on this one, guys, so I'm just showing you what you could have had. But we will have more. Let's look at the washing machine.
Yes, mate.
Come and have a look at this, mate. Look at that.
Nice.
It's everything you ever wanted in a lodge, isn't it?
Stunning.
Look at these couches. Look at those. Do they lift up, do they?
Yeah, mate, you do.
Oh, I've never seen that before. You.
I have, mate. In the Carnamies. The Carnamies do those, actually.
So, guys, if you're interested, contact Shane. Shane's the main man, yeah? What's your number, Shane?
07813 967 436.
So come down, have a look around Unity Beach in Somerset. This is an absolutely fantastic place. Listen, guys, appreciate you watching. Thank you.